The company was originally started by a British company called Needle Industries Limited in the UK. By the year 1977, the company was more or less Indian controlled and finally fell into total Indian control in 1981. We came up with the Pony brand after a long search for a simple, easy to pronounce name. The company has always been conscious of the need to protect the environment. We have state-of-the-art treatment plants for our wastewater, which is completely treated. And although we have hazardous operations like electroplating, anodizing, we have a zero liquid discharge. In other words, we do not send any liquid out of the company premises. We recycle our water 100%, reuse it back in process. We invested in a wind generator, and we now generate between 60 and 70% of our total electrical energy from wind.
We are very focused on minimizing our carbon footprint and the impact that our brand and products have on the environment, which is why we've made a big change towards more plastic-free paper packaging.
For our house brand, which is the Pony brand, at the very, very early 90s, we stopped plastic as far as possible. And wherever we had plastic, we had our actual package as easily separable.
6 or 7 years ago, we developed the range of flare knitting needles. They are maple knitting needles which are colored by hand using a natural wax and natural dyes.
We came up with a very, very ancient method of coloring wood, which was, I'm told, brought to India from Persia about 2,000 years ago. The colors used are all vegetable dyes, and the base for applying the color, a completely natural lacquer made from the extract of the lac beetle. That the most important component in our manufacturing setup is our workforce.
We have about 742 employees in this company, out of which about 1/3 of them is the women workforce. We are one of the few companies in India to be certified for Social Accountability 8000 2008. We were certified in the year 2010 and we still continue to hold that certificate. We are having a medical center with a full-time doctor, a full-time nurse and a pharmacist and support staff.
We also set up a cooperative society. It's a cooperative credit and thrift society where employees can buy shares in the society, and depending upon the number of shares they have, they can take a loan at a very low rate of interest, far lower than the banks. And we've been successful in the international markets, selling worldwide only because of our ability to produce a very high quality product at a reasonable price and back it up with proper service.